MBA Crash Course, Leadership and Management Skills. Introduction. In the dynamic world of business, effective leadership and management skills are essential for driving success and achieving organizational goals. Leaders inspire and motivate their teams, while managers ensure efficient operations and strategic decision-making. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamental principles of leadership and management, share inspiring stories, and discuss the top 12 skills that every business leader should possess. Part 1: Understanding Leadership. Effective leadership goes beyond simply holding a position of authority. It requires the ability to inspire, influence, and guide others towards a common vision. Let's delve into some interesting stories that highlight the power of leadership. Story 1: The Transformational Leader. During a period of organizational crisis, a CEO emerged as a transformational leader. Through his inspiring vision and charismatic communication, he rallied the employees, encouraged innovation, and led the company to a remarkable turnaround. This story emphasizes the importance of visionary leadership and the ability to inspire change. Story 2: The Servant Leader. In a small nonprofit organization, a leader demonstrated the qualities of a servant leader. He prioritized the needs of his team members, provided support and guidance, and fostered a culture of collaboration and growth. This story highlights the significance of empathy, humility, and putting others' needs before your own. Part 2: Top 12 Leadership and Management Skills. Now, let's explore the top 12 skills that are crucial for effective leadership and management in a business setting. 1. Communication skills, the ability to convey information clearly and effectively. 2. Emotional intelligence, understanding and managing emotions, both in oneself and others. 3. Decision making, making informed decisions based on analysis and critical thinking. 4. Strategic thinking, developing long-term plans and aligning actions with organizational goals. 5. Adaptability, being flexible and open to change in a dynamic business environment. 6. Empowerment, delegating authority and empowering team members to take ownership. 7. Conflict resolution, resolving conflicts and fostering a harmonious work environment. 8. Team building, building cohesive teams and promoting collaboration and synergy. 9. Coaching and mentoring, guiding and developing individuals to unlock their full potential. 10. Ethical leadership, upholding ethical standards and promoting integrity in all actions. 11. Innovation and creativity, encouraging innovation and fostering a culture of creativity. 12. Resilience, bouncing back from setbacks and leading through challenging times. Each of these skills plays a vital role in effective leadership and management, and successful leaders possess a combination of these qualities. Conclusion. In conclusion, leadership and management skills are fundamental for driving success in the business world. By understanding the principles of leadership, learning from inspiring stories, and developing the top 12 skills, aspiring leaders can enhance their capabilities and make a positive impact. Remember, leadership is a continuous journey of growth and learning. Poem: A Leader's Path. In the realm of business, a leader emerges, guiding with purpose, as vision converges. With skills and traits, they set the stage. Embarking on a transformative voyage, they communicate with eloquence and grace, inspiring others with a confident embrace. Emotional intelligence, their compass true, understanding the human experience through and through. Decisions they make, wise and sound, grounded in analysis, principles profound. Strategic thinkers, mapping the way, aligning actions to goals, day by day. Adaptability their armor, ready to evolve. In a dynamic world, problems they solve. Empowerment they grant to each team member. Unleashing potential, like glowing ember. Conflict they resolve, harmony they create. Nurturing relationships, they patiently navigate. Building teams, fostering collaboration. Synergy blooms. Coaching and mentoring, their guiding light. Empowering individuals to shine bright. Ethical leaders, integrity their guide. In every action, they stand with pride. Innovation and creativity, they inspire. Unleashing ideas that set the world on fire. Resilience they possess, unwavering and strong. Leading through challenges, where others may go wrong. On the path of leadership, they embark. Leaving a lasting impact, leaving a mark. For leaders are not born, but made. Through dedication and the choices they've weighed. So, step into leadership's grand embrace. Embrace the challenges, embrace the chase. With these skills, you'll rise above. And lead with purpose, with heart and love. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.